Hello friends, welcome to EduACS, your education mentor. Friends, National Board of Examination means NBE has already released the detailed schedule and guidelines for Foreign Medical Education Graduate Examination means FMGE screening test. So in this session we will discuss about the total schedule, what is the scheme, what is the examination fee and eligibility criteria for FMGE. So let's start friends. So first of all, what is the schedule of FMGE? Friends, application has been started, so you can apply online from 16th April 2020 onwards. So the last date of submission of application is 6th May 2021 till 11 and so midnight. The edit window for all the candidates will be available from 9th of May to 11th of May. In this edit window friends, you can rectify your images, photographs, signatures and thumb impression. And the second window of editing will be started on 21st May. So in this final editing window, you can also rectify your proof of primary medical education qualification, eligibility certification, your ID proof or citizenship proof, admission letter, etc. Friends, admit card will be available from 11 June onwards and the examination date is 18th June. Yes friends, this is the most important date of FMGE. On 18th June 2021, FMGE June 2021 sessions will be conducted and the result will be declared by 30th June friends. Friends, so you can check the detailed schedule. Now friends, if you want to know more details about FMGE and if you are having any difficulties to fill the application of FMGE, so you can call this helpline number 0226108755 or you can send an email to helpdesk nbeexam@netboard.edu.in or you can check the official website of nbe.edu.in. Now friends, what is FMGE? Friends, Foreign Medical Graduate Examination Screening Test has been introduced through Screening Test Regulation 2002 and the examination conducting body is National Board of Examination. Friends, FMGE will be conducted across India in various cities on 18 June in totally online mode. So the test will be computer based test. So friends, if you want to a custom or want to know more about the what is the pattern and scheme of the demo scheme of the test, so you can have a demo test on 1st June onwards. In case of any legal dispute or any court cases, the final jurisdiction center will be New Delhi only friends. Now let's check about what is the examination fee friends. The examination fee is 6,000 and the GST at the rate of 18% is 1080. So the total examination fee will be 7,080 rupees and it may include any payment gateway charges, so it may increase. So friends, the tentative total examination fee is 7,080. So any Indian candidate pursuing MBBS in foreign country or any foreigner candidates pursuing MBBS in their respective country are eligible to appear in FMGE friends. Now the most important eligibility criteria is in clause 4.10. You can see this is only for the candidates of Pakistan. So friends, if you are medical students from Pakistan, so your candidature and your eligibility should be the subject of Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. In case if you are selected, even if you are selected, your candidature, your final admission will be subject to the permission of Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India friends. Now let's have a look of scheme of FMGE examination. So friends, this screening test or FMGE examination will consist of total 300 multiple choice question, means 300 MCQ. There is no negative marking. The full examination is divided into two parts. Yes friends, these two parts will be conducted in two separate shifts. So both shifts have 150 multiple choice question. The timing of entry, the timing of closure and session starting time and session ending time is mentioned here. You can check. So the exams will be conducted in two shifts and both shifts have 150 multiple choice question. Friends, many of you would be thinking about what is the examination center of FMGE. So friends, let's have a clear clarification. The exam will be conducted only in India. Yes friends, the exam will be conducted only in India across 46 cities in India. The list is mentioned here. You can check the name of the city in this list. So any foreigner candidates or any Indian candidates who are pursuing MBBS examination in foreign countries, so they have to attend this examination in India in the selected city from the list of 46 cities. Allotment of examination center or city will be done on the first come first serve basis. So if you are applying earlier, you can choose your favorite city or favorite center of examination in India, friends. So friends, this is all for today guys. I hope this information might be helpful for those candidates who want to appear in FMGE examination. So this is all for today guys. Best of luck. Thank you.